A shallow depth of focus can make a great composition. With your average zoom lens, sometimes you don't have a wide enough aperture to get that kind of separation. That's why Tamron made the 17-50 Di2 VC 2.8. It not only shoots 2.8 at the widest angle, but throughout the entire zoom range. That gives you versatility in a variety of light conditions, so you don't have to change lenses between streetscapes, interiors, portraits, or headshots. The 17-50 has a minimum focusing distance of 11.4 inches over the whole zoom range. It also has vibration compensation. VC virtually eliminates motion blur for handheld shooting, and even more versatility in low light conditions. The 17-50 is part of Tamron's SP or Super Performance series of lenses. Its low dispersion elements give a sharper contrast and greater detail. Twist on Tamron's 17-50 Di2 VC 2.8 and see what you've been missing.